quite welcome.
I now invite Dr. S. Gangopadhyay, former director of CRRI, Central Road Research Institute, to kindly give his reflections. Dr. Gangopadhyay, you can unmute yourself and.
Yeah, very good morning to all of you.
Good morning, sir.
And good evening to the friends in the US. They must be, there must be sleeping time, but we are awake. So you have to listen to us, whatever we are saying here. Now, at the outset, I wish to congratulate the TRG. You see, up to 2011, we are all familiar with TRB. Now, that was a transformation in 2011 that we used to often hear G instead of B, because publication in TRB was so difficult. But it is not that publication in TRG was easy, but at least TRG could replace to some extent in our domain of research in India and some other countries as well. Now, I definitely wish to congratulate TRG for India for completing its 10 years of fruitful journey, and I strongly feel it will continue its journey with greater success in the years to come. Now, my talk today very brief, though, because when you get old and old, you have to speak less because you have to hear to our younger people much more than what you speak. Now, the point is, my reflection of today's, celebration or program will be limited or confined to 2011 May till 2015 December, when I attended the Kolkata, celebration in the, in December. I suppose I am right. It was in December, just after my superannuation from CRRI. I vividly remember during the May 2011. Now, Dr. Velmurgan, I think, is also present here. I see he is sitting there.
Yeah.
And he was the secretary of, TRG at that point of time. And he came to me and said that we had arranging some sort of, it was a request by, he was executive secretary. I forgive my, this statement. He was executive secretary, if I remember it well. And he said that to conduct the Maiden Foundation Day seminar on the topic of research in sustainable transport planning. In fact, we just started talking about sustainable transportation during that time. Later on, it was a good subject. A lot of people did, vast amount of research on that. And then he said that it has to be done. And then it was done at the CRRI. It was readily agreed because I cannot say no to a person like Dr. Velmurgan. He's a superman, as I say, because as far as transportation is concerned, there is hardly any comparison to him. Of course, everyone in CRRI, and there was about 50 delegates from across the country participated in that half-day seminar. Now, if you look at CTRG 2011, that was on transport and environment. If I am mistaken, Ashish will correct me. That was on transport and environment. In CTRG 2011, where CRRI took part. And then in 2013, a very great milestone, we started this Indian Highway Capacity Manual, Indo-HCM, in 2012. That was a milestone. And many IITs, NITs, other institutions took part in that. It was a landmark study, and that was done in CTRG 2013. And then again in 2015, the suitability of various public transport system for Indian city, it was presented in 2015. Now, during my tenure of this 2011 May to 2015 November, end of November, we tried very hard to, to encourage the scientists of CSIR, CRRI to deliver invited lectures in many technical meets of CTRG conferences organized by TRG. And actually, accordingly, this consent to be the knowledge partner of all the CTRG conferences conducted till now, along with encouraging the scientists of CRRI to submit their research works and their active participation in CTRG conferences and TRG activities was a, particular policy for CRRI, because I think we are still continuing as a knowledge partner. I'm not too sure about it, but I am pretty sure that CRRI will always play an active role as it played for the last more than 65 years or so. Now, I have few suggestions. Of course, just it came to my mind this morning when I woke up, that what is the way forward? Many stalwarts are present here. They know much better than what I know, especially during my, time now. And what did we learn from the last 10 years? Basically, we have to actually recapitulate. We have had a lot of CTRG meetings, conferences, publications, etc. What did we learn? Can we summarize the, 1 page or 1.5 page document? Now, what are the priority areas in future? Let us say from 6 months to 1 year or more than 2 years, because as we all know, we are passing through a very, very uncertain time. Future is extremely uncertain, because I do not know whether we could, write something or do something on Markovian chain. Professor Bhatt will definitely know better that something can we do for the next 2 years on Markovian process, that how the transportation will play a role for the development of the society and the nation as a whole. I mean, there is a role of the transportation, how it should reposition itself and to contribute to the society. Now, Ashish and Dr. Moria is also here. We had a lot of conferences and it will continue to happen like that. Can we actually, some of the future conferences, like what you mentioned, it is happening in Trichy, maybe in December or so. Can we summarize the outcome of such conferences? Suppose there are 20 outcomes you get from the conference. Can we submit to the government? Suppose it is happening in Trichy, at least to the Tamil Nadu government, 2 or 3 major outcomes as a policy to be implemented by the government. You see, unless I tell you one thing, unless you take on board the government, whether it is a state or city authorities or in the central government, it will be difficult to move ahead, to get the recognition within our country and then broaden your idea to the SAARC countries and then other parts of the world. Now, another model, Dr. Velmurugan will agree that it was successfully, done when we did our Indo-HCM, that collaborative project. You see, TRG could arrange, because you are all eminent personalities in India. IIT Guwahati, IIT, Mumbai, Bombay, IIT Kharagpur, ISC Bangalore. Can we make some joint proposal to the ministry? And that will be a part of your TRG activity. Then that outcome can be, easily published as a TRG collaboration, because you are all gold mine. NIT Surat is also there. So these are some of the ideas that it came to my mind, and probably by the time it goes on, we move along, more ideas will come. And I thank Dr. Ashish Verma for inviting me, in fact, for today's. In fact, frankly speaking, I forgot mostly about TRG. because after my retirement I lost touch. Only Velmurugan is in touch with me, except 2-3 persons in our transportation division in CRRI. But Ashish was always in my mind, because a few days, I think 2-3 months back, there was a webinar by TRG, which I participated for a couple of days. So I thank all of you and congratulate all of you. I think brighter days are ahead, because we are passing through darker days. After dark, light will come, definitely. And there will be a day when we'll come to know why this pandemic happened, because there is always a reason for every event which has happened in the entire world. So thanks all of you. Have a nice day who are in India, and a good night's sleep to our US friends before we listen to them. Thank you and best of wishes. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Gangopadhyay, for your words of wisdom.